500 people are seeing, commenting, liking. Some people don't even like because they don't like to like people. They are seeing it, they are reading the offer. Hey, buy this thing for 10,000 francs CFA. When you bought it for 2,000 francs CFA, because you bought it for 1,000 francs CFA, and then shipping costs, all the costs, it boils down to 2,000 francs CFA. And from there now, that is exactly how you're making your money. Going now, having some third party. In the beginning, do it yourself. If you have 10, 20 orders to sell all the product, take that bike, go and climb on the bike. This person is saying that he wants to buy it today, that he wants it, he has the money now. Don't wait, don't tell the person, no, tomorrow we can come and ship because you're tired. Tomorrow the customer will block you because he has seen another advertisement better than yours, and the offer is better than yours, and then you'll just go and buy it there, and they will tell you on buy when you're going to be on the way that, hey, I don't want it. Go and ship it. Take the product for yourself, climb on that bike, tell the customer that where you are like this, for me to arrive there, you will have to pay me 1,000 francs CFA for me to arrive there, €1 or 1,000 francs CFA to arrive there. You say, okay, no problem. You don't carry your legs, climb on that bike, go, enter your car, go and ship and give the product to the customer, and arriving there, he pays the money into your hands. Guys, this video has been too long. I wanted to make it 10 minutes. It's so long. And that's how you make money. And by the time you have a coulé, and by the time you have sent out 50% of your stock, you obviously know that the customers are going to be coming in because of that product.